Hey, Nico.
You getting?
Yeah.
She wants to kiss the bird. Kiss the bird? Yay! Let's kiss the other bird. You want to kiss the plant? Oh, there's a bird over here too. You want to kiss this birdie? This birdie? Oh, want to kiss the plant? You want to kiss the plant? You want to kiss the? You want to kiss the severed head picture?
Oh, should I take a picture of this one?
Oh yeah, that's your seat. Awesome.
Should make a little video for kissing stuff.
That's what I'm doing.
You want to kiss George? You want to kiss George?
Me?
There's Curious George book cover. Yeah. Want to kiss Emily? Kiss Emily? Yeah. Kiss Emily? Look over here. Want to kiss the owl? Kiss the owl? Ooh. Yay. Want to kiss the vase? She, for some reason, likes this vase. Kiss the vase? Oh, yeah. CDs. Huh? CDs? I like CDs. Okay.